Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert House. I have a special guest with me today, my husband Kevin, as most of you guys know, and we are sharing our baby names that we love but won't be using. And by we, I mean baby loves names I love that he won't let me use.
There's some in there that
You like.
Oh. Yeah.
You'll tolerate.
Yes.
So Kevin's a name associator. Like, he associates names with everything, and so there's a lot of off-limits names that are on this list, but I'm gonna share them with you today. How about that?
Let's hear him, babe.
He's ridiculous. Okay, first, make sure that you
Subscribe. Hit the bell.
And
Thumbs up.
he's a great spokesperson. You know the drill, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any of our pregnancy updates, but also our cleaning videos, our organizing videos, our day-to-day life videos, you know, all of that fun stuff. But there's a lot of names on this list, so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start with our boy names. We have 10 boy names, 10 girl names, and then a couple that could go either way that we love. So our first boy name is Thomas, which Kevin does like, but we are not going to use that as my grandfather's name and my sweet cousin's name. And we have used it with several names, like as a middle name, but it just didn't work with any of the names that we are going to be using. There is Grant.
Didn't I come up with that one?
Yes. Yeah, that's one that Kevin came up with.
I like it.
Yeah, I actually do like that one too. It just doesn't work into the ones that we already had picked out. This is one that I love that Kevin hates. It's a Mason.
Jar.
Right? He won't let me use it because he associates it with a mason jar.
Does anyone else not?
I mean, no, I don't. Alright, next up is Maxwell. I've loved this name since high school. I want to name my little boy Brinson Maxwell when I was in high school.
Brinson's not even on the list.
Yeah, I don't like it anymore. Well, it's not that I don't like it anymore. I've had several friends use the name Brinson, so I don't want to use it. Yeah. Alright, the next one is Ace.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
Look, okay, 10 points if you can guess which Ace Kevin associates Ace with. Should we leave it down in the comments and see if they can guess?
Yeah, see if anybody can guess.
Alright, y'all guess down in the comments what Ace is associated with, and you get 10 points. I mean, the points don't mean anything. We're like, whose line is it anyway? But y'all try to take a guess, and then I'll answer it down in the comments. Alright, the next one I love is Kent. And the reason why I love this name is because Kevin's mom's maiden name is Kent, and Bobby's middle name is his grandmother's maiden name. So I thought that it'd be cute if we had another boy to use the grandmother's maiden name, but apparently Kevin came across a Kent at some point in his life that was not very nice to him, so he refuses to let me use that name.
Which is completely legitimate.
Does anybody else's husband do that? Like, won't let you use the name because it's somebody that they didn't care for?
I'm sure there's about 100 names I could put on your list, babe, that you wouldn't approve.
Well, that's true. But it's not a family name.
I understand that.
Anyways, alright, so the next one is Ethan. We actually both really love the name Ethan. Bobby did not like the name Ethan. But if Everett had been a twin, it would have been Everett and Ethan. That would have been his twin name. The next one I really love is Charleston. You'll notice that I have a lot of like southern, these are definitely, I will just be honest, there's a lot of southern names on here, but I love the name Charleston. It's so cute.
Have you been there?
Yes, I've been there. And it's so cute. I love the name Charleston. Maybe we should use it. I love it. It's so cute. Alright, the next one is Jameson. I love Jameson, not the liquor, but I just love the name. And then the last one is Graham.
I like it, but first when you just said it, I thought cracker.
You're ridiculous.
Graham Cracker.
Right, yeah, it could be your nickname for him. Hey, my little Graham Cracker. Right, wouldn't that be so cute?
It would be cute.
No. No. But I love the name Graham. And actually the only reason I wouldn't use the name Graham is because I have a best friend whose last name is Graham. And so, I don't know if that's weird or not.
I don't think she would. I think she would appreciate it.
Yeah, she probably would. Especially since her name is on the girl's name list.
Oh yeah, oh sweet.
Yeah. Okay, speaking of girls' names, you ready to go into those?
Oh yeah, let's
Here's where
line
the
them up.
opinions come in.
Line them up.
So you can chop them down.
Chop them down.
So okay, so Kevin, since having a baby, has become like super protective dad. So we're like, he said that our daughter will wear a wetsuit until she's 20. And so
until she's married.
Yeah. Oh, until she's married.
At 33.
Oh my gosh. So a lot of these girl names he just doesn't like. I don't know why, he just associates them, but I love them. And like I said, a lot of them are very Southern names. So the first one is Savannah. And you actually didn't not hate Savannah. You just don't love it, but you don't hate it.
Did not hate it?
Yeah. Meaning
no,
you
didn't hate it.
Yeah, you didn't hate it.
I did not hate it.
Yeah, you didn't.
I didn't hate it.
You didn't hate it.
Correct.
Yes. So he actually likes Savannah, which that's where I went to college, and we've been there with friends, and we just love, 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 love Savannah. It's like my favorite city. Next up is Georgia. I love the name Georgia, but obviously we can't live in Georgia, or we can't use the name Georgia because we live in Georgia.
Yeah, that's kind of...
Right?
Yeah, I just don't think that fits.
Yeah, like you can only use Georgia if you don't live here, right?
Well, if you've lived here but you moved away, maybe because of a job, and you just have a...
Or if you just love visiting here.
You love the...
Oh, I don't have my shirt on. I was about to show it.
What are you doing?
You love the University of Georgia, go Dogs. Yeah, should have put Sony Michelle Chubb as our boy name.
Yes, absolutely.
I actually had a friend that said that when she was gonna have her baby during the national championship. She's like, if she had it during the national championship, she's gonna name it Sony Michelle.
Sony Michelle Chubb from.
Yeah.
4 names.
No.
And Isaiah Wynn. Why don't you throw that in there too?
And Roquan.
And Roquan. Ooh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
It's gonna be a really Southern name, all hyphenated.
Yeah.
All monograms. Okay, anyways, back to what we were really supposed to be talking about. Okay, next girl name is Adalyn. Adalyn you didn't mind too much.
No, but we have...
Yeah, we have friends with several friends have Adalyn, so that's why we wouldn't use it, but we really like that one. So the next one has been like the biggest source of contention in our marriage ever, right? Probably the biggest...
I see this one coming.
Separation of opinions in our marriage ever. I love the name Magnolia and love to call her Maggie. Kevin hates the name Magnolia.
But I feel like a lot of your friends agree with me.
No, a lot of the guys agree with you, not the girls.
The girls did too.
Yeah, well. Not Cherie. So, yes, I love the name Magnolia. And also, if I were to have boy and girl twins, I would want to name them Magnolia and Mason. I love it.
So have you brought up about twin rhyming, not rhyming, alliteration names?
Little side note. I feel like if you're going to have twins, their names should go together. Like, we like the name Sarah Lynn and Savannah. We like the name, I like the name Magnolia and Mason. I like names that go together. Kevin doesn't feel that twin names have to go together.
I don't really feel that way, no.
So let us know what you think. Let's take a poll. Who thinks that twin names should be complementary of each other?
Well, simply alliteration.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Always the first letter the same.
No. It doesn't have to be the first letter.
Didn't all the ones you just list have the same first letter?
Well, you could use, I can't use the examples because then we'd be telling them our real baby names.
Yeah, well, don't use our real baby names.
Yeah, but like say the end of it has like S-O-N and then the other one has S-O-N or something like that. Like as long as they're just complimentary of each other. Yeah.
Starsky and Hutch.
Anyways, moving on. Our next baby girl name is Caroline.
Sweet Caroline. Bum, bum, bum.
That is the whole reason why I cannot use that name. The only reason why I can't use that name is because he cannot control himself from singing that song.
All right, all the Carolines out there, if you're watching this video, comment below how many times that someone has done that to you in your life.
My name's Lelia. You know how many people have said Layla to me?
Babe, look at the comments. It's just...
It's not. It is not. Okay, next one is Charlotte. I love Charlotte. Like a princess name. Alright, you didn't have a problem with that one. The next one is Lauren. If Bobby had been a girl, he would have been Lauren. But somebody was engaged before me and her name was Lauren. Scandal. but her name was Lauren, and so therefore that takes that one out of our baby girl name list.
Which I don't mind.
Yeah, yeah. is okay. I mean,
Yeah.
All right, so the next one is Abigail, which you didn't have a problem with Abigail.
I really don't. I don't see any
I
problems.
love that. It's just such a sweet name. The next one is Emily. Did you like Emily? I can't remember. I love E names.
I didn't really have much of a problem. Yeah. We were talking about that.
I do
Lots
love
of
E names. Yeah. E's monogram well. But did you like Emily? I feel like you didn't like Emily for some reason.
I was borderline on it. I could have gone either way. That's not one of the ones I stand against.
Yeah. The last girl name is actually Kevin's girl name that he's liked since high school, right? Or just always liked?
Yeah,
It's the name Brianna. Brianna or Brianna?
I guess I really wouldn't be mad if they said either one.
Yeah. I just don't like it. I have a lot of friends named Brianna, so maybe that's why, but it's just not on my list. And plus, it's not a Southern girl name.
It is not.
No. So then we just have 3 more, which are boy-girl names, which you could go either way. The first one is Kennedy. The next one is Reagan. Political names. And if I had twins, boy or girl, I would love to use those as twin names. Kennedy and Reagan. How cute is that? Right? So cute. America. And the last one is Emerson, which we like for either boy or girl. So those are our baby names that we love, but we won't be using. Womp womp. But we have some really awesome ones picked out for the baby names that we will be using, hopefully. So you won't find out those until much later. But let me know if you have some baby names that you just love, because while we are like 100% on our names, I can definitely make some more baby name videos because I just love watching them. Don't you love watching baby name videos, babe?
Yeah, if they're as good as this one.
You're so sweet.
And that way I can poo-poo those names too.
Anyways, y'all have a great day. God bless.